So, Dorothy, now it's time for me to finish up with your abdominal assessment. And the first thing I want to do is percuss both your kidneys. So I want you to let me know if you have any pain at all. So we'll start here at the costovertebral angle here. Any pain?
No.
Okay, wonderful. So I'm going to have you go ahead and lay with your back flat on the bed here. We'll just provide for privacy. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of take a look at your belly here and see if there's any, I'm going to assess the contour and see if there's any bulges or anything abnormal, and everything looks fine. The next thing I'm going to do is assess your abdominal reflux. Next thing I want to do is assess your bowel sounds. So I'm going to take a listen. I'm going to start with your right lower quadrant. And I'll listen over a period about 2 minutes or so. Your upper quadrant. Your right upper quadrant. And your bowel sounds are active and normal. Next thing I'm going to do is just do some light palpation. And you let me know if you have any tenderness. Any tenderness at all?
Nope.
Okay. Next, I'm going to do some deep palpation. I'm actually going to press about 5 to 8 centimeters in. And what I'm doing is I'm assessing to feel if I feel any masses. Next thing is I'm going to percuss. When I percuss, I will feel, I will hear dullness over the fluid-filled organs, and I will hear timpani over the air-filled organs. The next thing I want to do is I want to palpate your liver to assess the liver span. So we'll start up here at the right lung, and I'm going to percuss downwards until I feel dullness, until I hear dullness. Be right about the top of your liver there, so I'm just going to mark it slightly. And this appears to be the bottom margin of your liver. So then what we'll do is I will measure that, and I'll just use my little gauze pen measurement here. And your liver span appears to be approximately 6 centimeters, which is normal. So then that should complete my assessment of your abdominal system. All right, Dorothy, I'm pretty much almost done with your physical assessment. One thing I did miss back when I was assessing your ears is I forgot to do the whisper test. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So what I'm going to have you do is just repeat after me, okay? You can look straight ahead. Repeat after me.
Apple. Apple.
All right, same thing over here.
Banana. Apple.
Very good, thank you. Well, I'm all done. Everything appears to be normal, within normal limits. I appreciate you allowing me to do this assessment on you today. Also, I just want to reiterate that throughout the assessment, we certainly provided for privacy by closing the door, and then also we use appropriate hand hygiene. Thank you.
Thank you.
And this
Very good
completes.
job.
Oh, thank you. And this completes my physical assessment.